Hi everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to harness linked duplicates for more efficient modeling in Blender. As standard, when you duplicate an object in Blender, either through the Object drop-down menu or by hitting Shift-D, the duplicated mesh will not be linked to the original, so any changes you make to the original object will not be transferred to the duplicated object. But what if you want to create one or more copies of a mesh that were linked to the original, so that when you make changes to the original mesh, they are automatically transferred to the copies? This is known as a linked duplicate and is very easy to create in Blender. With the mesh selected, go to the Object drop-down menu and click Duplicate Linked, or just press Alt-D, and Blender will add a linked duplicate of your mesh that you can place in your scene. Now, both the original and duplicated meshes will share the same object data, so if you make any changes to one of them in edit mode, you can see that all the other linked meshes change as well. If you already have a set of objects in your scene that you'd like to link, just select all of those objects, making sure that the object you want everything to be linked to is the active object, highlighted in yellow, then press Ctrl L and select Link Object Data. If you want to break the link between a mesh and its linked duplicates, just select that mesh, go to the Object drop-down menu, hover over Relations, then Make Single User, and click Object and Data. Or hit Ctrl-Shift-S and press Make Single. Thanks for watching, and happy rendering.